It is a foggy morning on June 24th, 2011. About 9 o'clock Saturday morning, lazy morning on the college campus. People are just kind of strolling around. Students are just waking up. This is where we go to school. This is the bus that brings all the teachers to our school. You can see some nice landscaping work going on here.
As goes the bed right coming, okay?
Hello. This is the large rock. That's what we call a minbalcha. Means bread loaf. Bread loaf van. Pretty appropriate name. This is one of my favorite signs. You see these all over Xining. Apparently it means no trumpet blowing. No trumpet blowing in this place, my friends. Walking out of our college here to the street. So it's a Saturday, so it's a little bit lazier day, but normally the street is full of college students just walking back and forth to these little restaurants across the street. This is called Ba Yilu, means 8-1 road. And that up there is our house, so you can see we live right close to the campus. Just 2 minutes away, we live on the 17th floor. That's our house right there. So we have a good view of the school and the campus, and lots of city traffic. And this is the gate.